Hello guys, today we are gonna discuss how to download or how to use non-copyright videos YouTube. You may use any website or browser or app, but I prefer YouTube. First we open YouTube and then we will search any topic or any video. Suppose Captain America movie scene. Then go through filter and now select common at Creative Commons and apply Creative Commons. Okay, then open the video and read the description box. And you see in the description box, if Creative Common Attribution if this is in the description box, then it is for reuse, and you can now reuse and fix to any of your videos or anywhere you want to, and there will be no copyright claim or no copyright strike. Thank you. I think you enjoyed this.